Ain't too bad. Especially with a bow and arrow.
Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a European mount from start to finish.
Alright guys, I got on this second one and almost getting done. I just got to do the eyes and get the tongue and the bottom jaw and stuff off. But I got to looking and it's got a bot in its nose cavity right here. How big daggone. It sure looks gross looking. It's called a nasal bot. So a fly lands, oh, I was reading, lands kind of like on the side of their mouth and they lick it and they get these in their nasal cavity. Anyways, I thought that was kind of odd. I thought, what is that? All right, before I boil it, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these horns. You don't have to do this, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. You can always come back and put color on your horns. I don't like to discolor them. And I'm gonna pressure wash them. So as soon as I get done boiling them, about 10 minutes each, I don't wanna have to take time and take a break to do this. You can always touch them up if you do discolor them, but it don't take but a second to do this right here. Better be safe than sorry. And I'm picky. I want it to look good. That way I can just throw it in there. I ain't gotta worry about the water level being too high, because it gets up here after a while, it will discolor. You put some Dawn in there, a little bit of borax. We're just gonna get it to a slight, not really a boil, but kind of like you're cooking. As soon as you see a few little bubbles come up, I'm gonna count 10 minutes and I'm gonna switch it out, just cooking it, and then I'm gonna get the pressure washer set up so we can get the last steps. All right, got the first one in there. I got it turned up kind of high right now, but it's just now starting to bubble once or twice. I'll shut it down here in a minute low, like let it cook. I'll do this one, I'll do that in a second, and I got the pressure washer already set up when I get done with these. Right, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna pressure wash this and I'm gonna put the other one in. Oh yeah, cooked up pretty good. 10 minutes, you don't want to do no more than that, it'll make it brittle. Put this in there, see how much it's gonna. I need to put this wooden spoon on, or a spoon. Bring it up a little. There we go. All right, we're gonna start power washing on this one. Let's start. You can tell I ain't trying to boil it too long. Still really good and solid. My nose ain't splitting. But still holding a lot of meat. That's after pressure washing it the first time. Probably had to a couple times. But you gotta be really, really careful right in through here in these nose cavities, because you'll blow them out. And down here by the end of the nose. But I'm gonna scrape this right here. I got a lot off, so trying to wait on this other one to get done, pressure wash it, and probably change the water out and redo it 10 minutes on each side again, or 10 minutes each head again. Yeah, it's kind of right there is only, right here is kind of hard too, but you see it's coming right off, so that ain't gonna be no problem. All right, guys, it's the next day, and we're gonna put the cream on it, the 40 volume. You can get it, probably your wife or girlfriend, whatever, at the beauty salon. Anyways, we're gonna put cream on it, try to lighten it a little bit, and we're gonna let it sit all night, and then tomorrow we'll wash it off, and we'll probably do it again. We'll probably actually do it about 3 times. All right, I just covered them with this cream. Used a little brush. The way you can get inside those little cracks and crevices. And I'm gonna let these sit overnight. In the morning I'll wash them, see how white they are, see if I missed any spots, and probably do it a couple times. This one right here, for sure, I'll probably do it like 4 times, maybe more. It's duller than this one right here. Get it back on, we're gonna be using a little brush. This is our second coat. We're gonna try to get it all cracked and crevices, and anywhere that we see that it's not as wide as we want, we're gonna try to get it as wide as we can. All right, that's the second coating of cream. It's probably gonna be the last one for this one. That one is probably gonna take another couple probably. All right, guys, I'm out here. I'm gonna do the third and final time. I thought I was going to have to do it more than this. Put the cream on there. This is the third time. Set overnight last night, and then I put it on this morning. And we ran and got groceries and all that and came back. So it's been over 8 hours. So they really don't look bad right now. They're still kind of wet. But I'm gonna apply this cream one more time. I thought I was gonna have to do it way more, but they've actually whitened it pretty good. Kind of shocked. So anyways, that works a little better than the stuff I had last time. All right, that's the third and final, hopefully, time. And I put it on there kind of heavy. It's really wide enough, but in the morning when I get up to wash it off, I won't do it anymore unless I'm missing any spots. And the teeth, I'm not really worried about the teeth. The teeth is kind of still black, but it just gives it character, I think. All right, we're to the last process of the European mount part. We're just putting wiping glue on it, on something you're gonna throw away. An old sock here with you might want to put a glove underneath it so it don't get all over you. But we're just gonna gently rub it on the skull, and I'm gonna take this right here off too. I'm gonna put a little bit on the horns to give that look back. It seals the head kind of, and it makes it smell a little better. So I'm gonna get to putting some wiping glue on it. Get that done. No broken horn. What I'm doing, guys, I'm putting the tag. That way, say 10, 15 years, I'll know when I killed the deer, what I used it with, what date, everything. So I'm just putting the old tag in the brain cavity. Just taking it up, rolling it up. Or you can write it on a sheet of paper, whatever you want to do. But, anyways, and I want to talk about this hanger right here. We went to Lowe's and got one. It looks like this. It's just an L bracket. It's a 4-inch and it's a 3-inch bolt. And I put a screw on top and a screw on the bottom. So it's just a cotter bolt. And then you can bend it on the wall to your desired, wherever you want it. Like, it might go up or down depending on how tall or how back your antlers go. But this one, it looks pretty good right here, I think. Yeah, you get it on there just right. There we go. I could bend it a little bit more if I really wanted to. That's basically it, like this, and you can even also put the bolt up this way if you wanted to. But I'm mounting it like, the other one is mounted like this, and you can mount it like this and bend down, however you want to do it. But it's really cheap, it's like $3 maybe. So that's fairly cheap when you go looking at those and you see them for 20, 30 bucks for a deer skull hanger. So it's kind of like a DIY project, I guess. Anyways, all right guys, thanks for watching, thanks for liking. Maybe you can subscribe, and maybe you can catch us on the next one.